Welcome to our financial results analysis for Innovision Limited for the third quarter of fiscal year 2026. Innovision reported a total income of 234.73 crore rupees this quarter. Revenue from operations stood at 233.26 crore, reflecting a year-on-year growth of 2.44%, though it declined 9.34% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Other income contributed 1.47 crore. Total expenses for the quarter were 226.70 crore rupees. Employee benefit expenses remained a major component at 89.58 crore. Overall expenses decreased by 9.01% sequentially, following the revenue trend, but increased slightly by 1.25% compared to the same quarter last year. The consolidated EBITDA stood at 10.71 crore rupees with a margin of 4.59%. While EBITDA fell 6.09% sequentially, it showed a robust growth of 41.88% year-on-year. The margins expanded by 15 basis points compared to the previous quarter. Profit before tax came in at 8.03 crore rupees. This is a significant 53.41% increase over the 5.24 crore reported in the same period last year, despite a 17.6% drop from the immediate previous quarter. The net profit for Q3 reported at 4.37 crore rupees, marking a year-on-year growth of 43.51%. However, on a sequential basis, PAT saw a sharp decline of 42.81%. The PAT margin for the quarter was 1.86%. Earnings per share for the quarter stood at 2.97 rupees. This reflects an 84.47% growth over the previous year's 1.61 rupees, though it is down from 4.11 rupees in the previous quarter. To summarize, Innovision Limited showed steady year-on-year growth, with revenue up 2.44% and PAT up 43.51%. While sequential performance was weaker in terms of absolute numbers, EBITDA margins showed a slight expansion. The company also successfully listed its shares on the exchanges during March 2026. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.